Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's market fundamental and technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where everyone who has a knowledge gap in digital trading, real estate, personal finance can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, get the right education, tool sets to be able to achieve success in this industry. So, like I already mentioned in our group chat, if you are here and you can see me, please type one on the comment section. If you are here and you can see me, you can hear me, type one on the comment section. If you are here and you can see me and you can hear me, type one on the comment section. You can hear me and you can see me, type one on the comment section right now so I will know that you can hear me. Okay. The strong Oswald types one. If you can hear me and you can see me, okay. Clinic, so clinic types one. Fantastic, fantastic. So that means that you guys can hear me and you can see me. This class is going to be educational. Share with your friends, share with your family, tell them to join, share with your team, tell them to be here because we're going to share a lot of content, we're going to share a lot of value, we're going to share a lot of opportunity. So let's start with the three-step process. I told you guys that I want to carry everybody along. I want to carry your burden right now. I want to carry your burden right now. So if you have not joined our Telegram group chat, a new update is coming to our community. If you have not joined our Telegram group chat, I sent a link on the comment section now. Join our Telegram group chat. Join the Telegram group chat for updates, daily updates, and signals. Okay, join this group chat right now for daily updates and signals. It is our free Telegram group chat. Just click on that link and join right now. Okay, this group chat now, we're going to be sharing a lot of resources. We're going to be sharing a lot of opportunity. Okay, so I want you guys to join this group chat. Join the group chat. It's a very big opportunity because whenever you guys are not too active, whenever you guys are not active here on our YouTube live, you can also interact with us on our Telegram. Okay, you can also interact with us on our Telegram. So join the Telegram group chat right now. Join the Telegram group chat right now. So once you join the Telegram group chat, this is what you're going to see. Okay, this is our group chat, and this is the signals we sent today on gold. Okay, and these are VIP group chats. Okay, these are VIP group chat. On this VIP group chat, we're introducing a new pattern of analysis. Okay, not just sending only signals, we're going to analyze the market with a video recording, at least a minute. Let's say we want to analyze USD card for the day. We would analyze USD card in a minute. We'll produce the video and we'll send it to you. So when you watch this video, you would understand why we are sending the signal to you. This is the signal we sent for AUD USD this morning by 11:52 a.m. This is the signal. After we explained in a video, we also sent the chart. Okay, and the trade is currently activated and running in profit. Not just activated, it is also running in profit. So we'll be introducing it to our group chat, our WhatsApp and Telegram, but mainly Telegram. WhatsApp can be very, very stressful to get this type of project done, except we're sending YouTube links. So I want you guys to join our Telegram group chat right now. Okay, that's the link I sent you. Okay, if you have joined, type join on the comment section. Type join on the comment section. Type join on the comment section. Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. So the next step now, another step I want you guys to do is register for our broker. register for our sponsor broker. For you guys that don't have an account, if you want to start trading forex, you need an account where you can deposit money, account where you can trade, an account where you can withdraw the money you've made in profit. So register for the HFM broker right now. The link is on the comment section. Register for the HFM broker right now. The link is on the comment section. The link is on the comment section. So once you click on that link, let me show you what you would do. If you don't have HFM, it's for those that don't have HFM that is on this call. Okay, if you don't have HFM, register. But if you have a HFM, don't bother registering. If you are not yet part of HFM, okay, thank you. Oswald says that he has joined our group because we want to bring a whole new a whole new concept that will help you guys. Okay, so once you click on that link, the HFM link that I sent right now, you can see on my screen. Register for HFM. Once you click on it, this is what you see. This website is what you see. Trade with the best trading conditions. Okay, you don't need to go far. Just on the top right corner here, you see register. Click on register. Okay, click on register. Just click there on register. The link is on the description. Okay, it's also in the comment section. If you want the link to the Telegram, is there. If you want the link to the broker, it is there. So once you click on register, you see over here the individual form will come out. You fill out this individual form, your country, your email, and a password. That's all. You click on register. They will send you a link. They will send you a link. They will send you a link. Okay, my friend is asking, Oswald the Strong says, please, do the broker offer prop firm? No, the broker does not offer prop firm. This broker strictly just accepts deposits. Once you deposit with them, you trade on their platform, you make profits, then you withdraw. This broker also offers copy trading. I offer copy trading with this broker. This broker also offers a lot of benefits like news, like fundamental analysis, and more updates, sentimental analysis happening in the market. So, but they don't offer prop firm. We already had a discussion with them in our last meeting, business partner meeting here in Enugu, and they say that no, that they don't have a prop firm system right now. So, but you too can be able to gain access to it. So with that said, once you click on register with your email, your password, they will send you a link to your Gmail. On that link, you click on it and you click continue on web browser. On the web browser, they will bring out a form. Fill out the form on your NIN. Okay, fill out the form on your NIN, or fill out the form on your the name on your NIN. You fill out the name on your NIN. Fill out the address on your NIN or your bank statement, because you're going to need an ID card to verify yourself, either NIN, international passport, or your voter's card. You need to have these three things, okay, or driver's license. These four documents. So the name you fill on your account registration should be the names on any of these documents that you can as well upload on their platform to be able to get your account verified. But I will highly recommend you use your NIN documents because the registration process is swift and fast. Okay, so if you have completed step one, okay, which is joining our Telegram group for future updates and signals, and step two, you already have a broker with HFM or you're just registering today. If you need further guidance, on this particular HFM, okay, HFM registration process, if you need further guidance, you can head over to our Telegram group chat. You can head over to our Telegram group chat, okay? Once you head over to our Telegram group chat, on the Telegram group chat, which is the one you joined right now, you see a pinned message, okay? you will see a pinned message. Click on that pinned message. On that pinned message, it reads things that you need to know for a successful trading journey. For a successful trading journal with uh, Forex Made Easy group for newbies that don't know anything about trading. XL means stop loss, TP means take profit, SL to BE means stop loss to your entry price or break even points. Okay, all these things. MT4 means MetaTrader 4, MT5 means MetaTrader 5. Then if you have any inquiries, ask the admin. This is my admin handle, TonyFX001. Then you can create your HFM demo account. This is the link to create your broker account again. Okay, so if you need a video that will teach you how you can be able to uh understand registration of your broker account, you can get the video by reaching out to me, the admin here. You can get the video because we have a pre-recorded video, okay, that will teach you how you can be able to gain access to YouTube video that will teach you how to register on HFM with this link. Okay, if you want more educational content, we have our Facebook here. You see the Facebook group page, you see our TikTok where we have other content we drop. Then over here is our YouTube handle where you can go and follow us, subscribe to our YouTube handle. So whenever we go live trading, you will be notified. And this is our Instagram handle as well. Okay, so if you also want account management services, okay, we can offer account management services, but you reach out to the admin and we discuss the details about that. So with that said, let's dive into the chart. Let's dive into the chart proper. Let's dive into the chart proper and see the opportunity the market is giving us today. Let's see the opportunity the market is giving us today. So while we dive into the chart right now, I'll be giving you guys some information on how you can be able to manage your capital properly. How you can be able to manage your capital properly, not just manage your capital properly, how you can as well be able to uh, utilize our signals and make good profits. Okay, so but let's just dive into the market. So over DXY, okay, what you can see is DXY, strength of dollar, DXY. So my brothers on this call, I want us to go to the daily time frame first. I want us to go to the daily time frame. I want you to see something that is very important to spot out before we continue. On the daily time frame, we have a very solid support zone over here. You see, it is a very solid support zone, and that support zone. Okay, so this on the daily time frame, there was a massive reversal from bearish to this bullish candle is going to end in 43 minutes, and the day's candle is going to end. So based on what I have seen already, the market has started giving us what on the on the 4 hour time frame with Judas swing. This week we formed a Judas swing for what buy side on dollar. Then we okay, so we also formed a, a buy side. Okay, so this is literally what I see, that DXY has the strength to push from this current demand zone towards this trend line. Okay, and also there is a supply zone here. The first supply zone we can see, this is the supply zone. Okay, so this is where I see DXY heading towards, and this move can mature all throughout this week. this move can mature all throughout this week. Okay, so this is why I expect DXY to head towards over here. So let us watch out closely for it towards this supply zone. That's what I see for DXY, from this demand zone to this supply zone, because this is a very solid demand zone that has held the market more than 3 times. So with that said, let's go to the next pair. I'll be discussing Euro USD, AUD USD, GP USD, Gold USD, and Bitcoin. Those are just the pairs I would be explaining. If you have any pair of your choice you want us to explain as well, once I'm done with Bitcoin analysis, you drop it on the comment section. Then we handle that pair for you. Okay. So this is Euro USD. Euro USD is quite in between. Okay. Why I say Euro USD is quite in between is because over here is where I see the demand zone for Euro USD. Okay. And I know that DXY is 80% correlated with Euro USD. So if DXY is going up, Euro USD should be going down. If DXY is going down, Euro USD should be going up. And over here we can see a 4 hours what market structure break to the upside for Euro USD. Okay, this is a very simple structure. Market structure break on Euro USD to the upside, 4 hours market structure break to the upside. So with that said, we are expecting what market to come down into this demand zone for Euro USD, because I see that there is what an unfulfilled efficiency up here. This is a supply zone for Euro USD. So why Euro USD is pushing down right now is because DXY is pushing to the upside. It is 80% correlated with DXY. So I'm expecting Euro USD to come down towards this demand zone. Clearly, it did not really give me the type of trade setup I am taught to trade with. That's why I did not call this signal for anyone that is my VIP member or my normal free member. So with that said, let's dive into the next pair, which is AUD. Okay, so Clinic says that my voice has been breaking a bit. I don't know if it's from my mic, but I'm trying as much as possible to be audible. Thank you for that. I'll speak up way more better. Probably it could be network as well. But I'll try to speak up way more better. So AUD USD is the next pair. AUD USD is the pair that really gave me an insight of what I do understand. So for AUD USD, I figured out that AUD USD is currently at a supply zone. This is the last what blue candle, or the last what bullish candle. After that last bullish candle, AUD USD dropped 16 days in a row towards here, and was this drop was around 445 pips drop. This was the last what bullish candle, that is the supply candle, and AUD dropped 16 days in a row. Now the market is back to that same what zone where that drop happened, the same zone, the same spot. So I was now interested to look for sells more. Okay, that's why we then go down to the 4 hours time frame. That's why we go down to 4 hours time frame. And if you go back to this zone over here, you go back to this zone over here, on this zone right now, this is the what? The supply zone, which is the last blue. I marked out all this region. Okay, because of this is the main bet. This is the main kind bet to all this what corrective structure candle that then push the market to the downside. Okay, so I marked out the tip of that candle and the high and the low of that candle. But this was the validation point. This was the main cause, the main supply zone, which is where we got our resistance from, or supply. Then we can see that the market went there and then has respected that particular zone. You see the tip of that zone, exactly the high of that candle. The market has gone there and respected it, and we have started seeing bullish what structure. So this bullish structure is meant to last and push the market down towards this demand zone that we can see the market come down towards all throughout this week. If DXY has to push more up, AUD will have to push more down towards the demand zone. And I already called out the signal for our VIP group. The next is GBP USD. GBP USD. Today we had bank holiday on UK. Okay, bank holiday at UK, I mean, and that made low volatility to be in United Kingdom. But that doesn't mean that if we saw trading opportunity, we shouldn't take it. So I saw a trading opportunity, and the trading opportunity I saw is because this market is highly what manipulated and programmed by algorithms, and these algorithms work with time and price. I repeat, this algorithm work with time and price. And I saw that GPUSD exactly by 2 o'clock, okay, New York session, the market came towards this psychological level of 1.32000. Okay, once the market came towards this psychological level of 1.32000, I saw that there was weak momentum to break this trend. There was a trend line I spotted on what 15 minutes time frame, and this trend line there was weak momentum to break it. So I knew that the market is going to go to the downside, and that was what exactly the market is doing right now. So we are still on a major what uptrend on GPUSD. Don't forget that we are still on a major uptrend on GPUSD. So that doesn't mean that the trend direction has actually changed from uptrend to downtrend. No. But what I see GPUSD is because since we expect DXY to head towards a supply zone, we expect GPUSD to head towards this demand zone over here. And that's why I see the market coming towards over here, this demand zone here. So let's walk towards it. And there's also a psychological level. Probably the psychological level is 1.31000 or 1.31509, 1.31500. Okay, but definitely GPS is going to come towards this 1.31500 before we can now start seeing it come towards this demand zone over here. This is demand zone, and certain GPS will come down to us. So let's watch out for it. Then the next on the list is XAUSD gold. XAUSD gold. Okay, so for gold, gold was the trade we called today. And you might be wondering, why did I call that trade? Why I called that trade? Because gold got to a psychological level. Okay, and the psychological level it got to is $2,525 per ounce. $2,525 per ounce, and the market could not break that price point. Why? Is because you look previously we had what a supply zone that the market had a deep corrective structure from. Okay, so when I went down to the smaller time frame of particular supply zone, if you're to spot it properly, this is the full body of the supply zone. So sell structures only. Sell opportunities. The market gave it to us. The market gave us the sell opportunities. We placed the sell trade, okay, and then by 3 o'clock on the dot, momentum came into the market and pushed the market to the downside. Okay, so I see gold coming towards this $2,500 per ounce first before we can now start expecting what a change of character, probably continuing the bull buys. Okay, $2,500 per ounce. I see it coming back to $2,500 per ounce. That's what I see gold doing first. Then the next on the list is Bitcoin, BTC USDT. BTC USDT. The structure is quite understandable. On BTC USDT, I see that currently the market is inside this daily supply zone. It's currently inside this daily supply zone. And from this daily supply zone, I see that the market was dropped drastically. Then the market has come back into the daily supply zone to fulfill some efficiencies. There are some trades here, some sellers here that was not fulfilled a resistance. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, okay? I'm still overall bullish on Bitcoin, but what I see Bitcoin doing currently is more like a corrective structure. Okay, we need to give Bitcoin some time because it needs to give us a corrective structure towards this zone. Okay, towards this zone, yeah, and then we can now start looking for what another buy opportunity to the upside. So Bitcoin is more like on a corrective structure towards this zone. So once it gets to that zone, then we can now start looking for more buy opportunities. Okay, that's what I see currently for Bitcoin. Okay, so any questions, guys? Any questions before we move to the next segment of this discussion? Any questions? Any questions, guys? Okay. Any questions, guys? Okay. I want to pull this. I want to pull this. I want to make this wide. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm here. Okay, so any questions? Any questions before we move to the next segment? Any questions? Any questions? Okay, without wasting any more of our time, we have 15 minutes left to go. I told you guys I'm going to teach you guys how you can what manage your capital properly and not lose all your funds while trading. Okay, let me show you guys how you can manage your funds. Okay, DXY is the strength of dollar. Okay, I see someone's question. Someone asks, what is DXY? What do I mean by DXY? DXY is the strength of dollar. Okay, DXY is strength of dollar. Just the same way we have XAU as gold. Okay, DXY is the short abbreviation for dollar. Okay, so if DXY is going down, it means that dollar is weak. If DXY is going up, there is high demand for dollar. If DXY is going down, there is low demand for dollar. So every other currencies like euro, pound, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, they are in high demand. Okay, unlike naira, whenever dollar is going down, there is still high demand for dollar whenever dollar is going down in the general market. Unlike us here, whereby we say, okay, naira, dollar is going down, we should have demand for naira. Nobody is having much demand for naira. People are having more demand for dollar because it's appreciating. So that's just it. Meanwhile, let me show you guys how you can avoid as in losing much capital. I hope that answers your question so clinic. So clinic. I hope that answers your question. So I send a lot of signals, and today I remember I sent a signal on gold, XAUSD, and this is a calculator. You go to myfxbook.com/forex calculator slash position size. Let me drop the link on the comment section for you guys that might be wondering, let me drop it on the comment section. Risk calculator. You can also get the app. If you join our academy, we'll teach you how you can be able to use this app and be able to manage risk. I dropped the link on the comment section. Okay, so please, I don't want you guys to go there and be risking crazy amounts of money. I want you guys to trade like professional institutions. I want you guys to trade like professional banks. Okay, I want you guys to trade like I want you guys to trade like professional hedge funds. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, I'll try to reduce my vocabulary. I dropped the link to I dropped the link to the forex calculator on the comment section. Okay, I dropped the link to the forex calculator on the comment section. You can see it on the screen right now. It's my FX book. So if I send signal on Euro USD or AD USD or GBP USD, you can use this calculator. Come over here. You know the amount. Okay, you know the amount you have in your account. Let's say, for instance, you have uh, $1,000 on your account. You type it in the account side, $1,000. And I always advise my students to risk 1% or 2% of your account. If you want to risk 2%, you type 2%. Yeah, that's what it means. Risk ratio 2%. Then the pips, I always used to write the pips for you there. You type 50. 50 pips is the signal pips. I used to write it stop loss 50 pips. Then I put in the figure. Then you click on calculate. Once you click on calculate, it gives you the lot size you're meant to use. Okay, this is the sizing 0.4 lots. That's what you need to use to enter the trade. Then if you want to open this trade 4 times for buy, you need to open it 0.1 buy, 0.1 buy, 0.1 buy, 0.1 buy. For you guys that like to do stacking, okay, so probably from those 4 trades now, you can swing trade one, you can scalp one, and you can enter trade one. Do you understand? So it's up to you. And then you can now use one to do break even. Probably when the market goes about 50 pips, you close one, and then you do break even on every other trade. You guys know how to do your money management and trade management. Okay, this is what I'm trying to let you guys know. It's very, very important. Once you receive signals from me, you come over here, Euro USD, you search for Euro USD, and then you go through, you go, let me see, Euro USD, just search for Euro USD. The calculator is also on your phone. So for you guys that have small capital, let me say you guys that have like $50, you type $50 here. I won't really advise you to come and start risking like 2% on $50. If you risk, and let me say the stop loss is 20 pips, and you want to risk 2%, 2% of $50 is just $1. You understand? Which means that you're going to open your trade 0.01, okay, which is quite a very visible amount, okay, which is 2% of $50. But let me say you want to swap it and risk like $10. You click here where the road swap to money. So you can see a money USD. You type $10 here, and then you click on what calculate. It gives you the lot size you use 0.05, and then you place the trade that way. Okay, so that's literally what you can do with your risk position calculator. So with that said, now let us wrap up with the fundamental analysis for this week. So to on Tuesday we'd have zero to none news events. Then on Wednesday we have monthly CPI indicator for Australian dollar by 2:30 a.m. So if we see a figure higher than 3.4%, then it's going to give strength to Australian dollar. But if we see a figure lower than 3.4%, it is bad for Australian dollar. Currently, it is actually bad for Australian dollar because the previous figure was 3.8, and analysts are saying that it is going to 3.4. So it's making Australian dollar to be weak against dollar, which is a good news for us because we're currently selling Australian dollar and buying United States dollar. Then 7 a.m. London session, we have Euro consumer confidence, which has to do with people that are living in Germany, to be precise, how their confidence is in the economy. Are they really happy, optimistic, or they are sad, pessimistic? So if they are optimistic, then it's good for the German economy, which is Euro. But if they are pessimistic, We'll find out on Wednesday by 7 a.m. West African time. Then on Wednesday 9 a.m. West African time, we have Bank Australian Manufacturing PMI. Bank Australian Manufacturing PMI, okay, by 9 a.m., which has to do with the manufacturing PMI for the Australian bank, okay. And if we see a figure higher than 43.2, it is good for Australia. But if you see a figure lower than 43.2, it is bad for Australia at all. Then on Thursday, August 29th, 2024, we have 9 a.m. We have CPI for Germany, CPI year over year for Germany, CPI month over month, CPI year over year. Lots of CPI news coming in by 9 a.m. on Thursday for Germany. So we'll be looking at Euro pairs very, very well. Inflation rate is also coming in. Inflation year over year and unemployment rate coming in by 10 o'clock on Thursday, and then by 1, we have inflation rate year over year for Germany as well. So we're looking strictly on the unemployment rate and the inflation rate that will be coming in on that Thursday. The unemployment rate is coming in by 10 o'clock. So if we see a figure higher than 9.6, it is bad for Euro. But if we see a figure higher than 9.6, it is good for Euro. Then inflation rate year over year, if we see a figure higher than 2.1%, it is good for Euro. And we see a figure lower than 2.1%, it is bad for Euro. Then on Thursday as well, we have the initial jobless claims for the United States dollar. Last week's one was positive, whereby a lot of people didn't have a lot of people applied that they have gotten jobs. Okay, so that's what made dollar to be strong last week, and we capitalized on it. We traded AUD USD to the sell on Thursday last week, and it was a massive profit. Then currently on this coming Thursday as well, we have jobless claims 4 week average, and we have continuing jobless claims as well. So we'll be looking mainly at this initial jobless claims. If we see a figure lower than 2, 3, 4 thousand people, it is good for Australia. It's good for the United States dollar. Okay, but if we see a figure higher than 2, 3, 4 thousand people, it is bad. Good trade balance has to do with total imports minus total exports. So if there are more exports, okay, it's going to give dollar strength. But if there are more imports, it's going to give dollar weakness. So we need to watch out for it. And then the percentage is the percentage rate, okay, for the gross GDP for dollar as well. Then on Friday, to wrap up the week, we have Australia retail sales month over month, Asian session by 2:30 a.m. Then 6 a.m. on London session, we have consumer confidence for Japanese yen. If you see a figure higher than 37.1, it is good for Japanese yen. But if you see a figure lower than 37.1, it is bad for Japanese yen. I might not discuss more about Japanese yen because we didn't really analyze it. What we analyzed was AUD, Euro, and GBP with gold. Okay, so exactly by 7 a.m. on Friday as well, we have retail sales month over month. If you see an increase in retail sales, probably from 0.4 to 0.5, it's going to give Euro strength. Then retail sales year over year, if you see an increase from 1.1 to like 1.5, it's going to give Euro strength. But if you see a decrease, it's going to give Euro weakness. Inflation, which has to do with the increase of prices of products and services. If there's an increase in price of products or services, it gives this currency strength. So over here now, it's 1.8% that analysts are saying that it dropped from last year August to this year August. If that happens, Euro will be weak. But if the inverse is the case, then Euro will be strong. Then retail sales month over month for Spain, retail sales year over year for Spain. If you see a higher figure, it's good. A lower figure, it is bad. Unemployment rate, we need a lower figure. If you see a lower figure, it is good. A higher figure, it is bad. Then I've already explained unemployment, inflation. I've explained it previously. So to wrap up the week for New York session, we have personal income, core PCE price index, personal spending month over month, core PCE price index UI. This is Friday, so this is just aftermath news. Okay, probably there's going to be little to no impact of this news during the end of the week. But we have GDP growth rate quarter over quarter for Canada, but we didn't analyze USD cards, so we won't be discussing about this. So probably we'll be trading live together. We'll be trading live together within the week. I'll be dropping the link on the group chat, but we basically, I'll focus more on analyzing a pair, AUD, Euro USD, GP USD, or XAUSD with a video and then sending it inside a Telegram group chat. So, like I said, if you've not joined our Telegram group chat, join right now. Okay, let me drop the link again. If you've not joined our Telegram group chat, join right now. The link is on the comment section. Okay, if you never saw the link, it's on the comment section. If you never saw the link, it's on the description is on the description section. You can as well get it from the description. Okay, this is the link you can see right now. This is the link on your screen. You can see it right now. So you just click on that link and join. If you join, you type you've joined. Any questions before we call it a wrap? Any questions before we call it a wrap? Any questions before we call it a wrap? Like I promised you guys, we're going to end this by 9:45. If you have a question, you ask. If you don't have a question, we call it a wrap. Call it a night. Then we'll expect the video analysis of a pair by tomorrow. Okay, I'll be dropping it on the Telegram group chat, both the VIP and the free. Okay. Okay. No questions. So I'm going to call it a wrap right now. Thank you so much once more for joining today. I wish you guys a profitable trading week. Peace.